We have got for lunch today frog's legs.
we tried frog legs. I'll do both.
I'm sorry.
I'll do
You
both.
did both them 1 minute.
We all have limbs. Yeah, I thought it was going to be disgusting, but it was really nice.
That's actually good.
It's good. KFC.
Why is this okay?
Why is it okay? Because I've cooked it.
It tasted a bit like chicken, so it's a bit weird because you've never tried a frog leg, but tried it today.
You got it down.
It's food, so it's nice. We definitely
After this, I'm doing snail. I want to see what it tastes like.
go on. Launch, finish frog leg.
Chew it.
Chew it. Go on. Now try the snail.
Oh, it's warm as hell. I'm scared.
What's it like?
Chicken.
Yes. You want to try it, Dom? There you go. Right, go on.
I want to keep the
You gonna try it? Go, Charlie, go try it. You want to try it? You got it?
I'll try one term.
You're brilliant. Yeah. Garlic. It's like garlic bread, isn't it? If you didn't, there's always a bin there if you're going to be sick, don't worry. Just tension. It's not, I'm sure it's not that bad.
Garlic bread and sweet corn. Did you mash?
Oh, is it? I'll take that off. Check that massive. In the water.
It's nice, but it's the thought of
I'm really impressed with this. Well done.
Are you not eating more? It's not that bad. Can I keep a share?
We made a ratatouille and I've never done anything like it before. I was kind of scared to try it at first because it's all different like foods, but yeah, it was quite nice. Joe, are you going to eat a snail? No. Okay, Joe.
What about the winners? Good day.
Frog legs. This is going to taste yummy.
Brilliant. Well done, darling. Well done.
Bon appetit. It's really good.
Are you telling the truth?
Yeah,
Is it actually nice?
Yeah, it is actually nice. It just tastes different. It tastes like chicken mixed with the garlic sauce.
Mainly tastes like chicken. Delicious, c'est délicieux.
I like it because it's unexpected time.
Vous avez mangé une escargot ou une cuisse de grenouille?
I can't eat snails or frog's legs because I'll be sick.
Okay, it actually tastes like chicken. Yeah. Nope. You tried it. Really good. Really good. No, I've never had a snail. Usually not the biggest fan, but I still eat them because, I mean, it's so special. Who can resist? It's quite tough to eat actually. Délicieux. Oui, c'est fantastique.